Now he's completely numb, even though you see me pulling his scalp back just to make the graft sit more straight. He's not feeling any pain apart from pressure. We angle down, make sure we're in line. And now we're gently going to pull these out. Okay, so that's the first one, and there's no gadgetry or any editing here. That's the first one, and as you can see, beautiful roots. This is 3 roots. How do we know it's 3 roots? It's got 3 little dots on the bottom. Okay, and the only thing that we saw on the top was this little speck here. And let's try some more, shall we? That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. That's number 4. Well, look at that. 4 incisions and 4 perfect roots. I think I must have done this a couple of times before. So there we are. As you can see, lovely graft down to the fat. Lovely graft down to the fat. And the most important thing is the black dots are all there. And now this goes into hypothermal solution at exactly 4 degrees Celsius. And these babies sit there until we're ready to implant them, which is going to be very soon because we want the time out of the body to be minimal. Thanks for watching.